Hello! Today I just want to share an update of my garden in this lovely morning. It has been some time since I renovated the landscape. This video was taken in mid-November last year, 2021. It's beautifully green and gives fresh air, especially in the morning. Here I have built a little fence to prevent the little doggy from messing up my garden. I also made a narrow path just for me to walk across in case I needed to pluck something, so I won't step on the smaller plants growing on the ground. This is a kaffir lam plant or limau purut. It's still small but growing very well. This plant is very special as it does not have thorns. Down here, I planted some mint leaf. They are growing quite well on the ground, together with this round type of grass called pelaka. I use a lot of mint leaf to cook minced pork salad. It is so easy and convenient to pluck and cook right away. Here is the turmeric or kunyit plant. It's growing really well and healthy. Here is my Asam Jawa or tamarind plant. I am growing this plant to use the young leaf for some Thai spicy and sour chicken soup. These are the curry leaves and the mango tree. They are quite big now. I have to start trimming them soon. Below the mango tree, I have a guava tree planted from grafted stem. It probably will bear fruit soon. Some sweet basil plants are here and here. Also another guava plant here. There are some more mint leaf in the pot. And the rosemary plant. It is not growing very nicely, just enough for me to pluck it and cook it once in a while. This is the whole garden from the car porch. The curry leaf plant is growing really well and very healthy. Inside here, I still have lots of galangal plant growing well. These are the mangosteen sapling which growing from the seed. Over there is the wooden table and the stool that I made from my outdoor cooking. Here is a closer look at the table. I still need to paint it before it completed. Over there, I had the water piping and the sink fixed for convenient use when cooking outdoor. This is the whole holistic view if looking from inside the house. On the outside of the house, I planted lots of edible plants as well. Those are the galangal plant. They have grown super huge. This is a butterfly pea flower plant, some lemongrass, and another small guava plant here too. It came as a sapling and it has started flowering. Inside here, I have some lemongrass, longan, and pandan leaves. Let's look at it from the other side here. The pandan leaves grow so well and are very healthy green. Here is another pot of mint leaf and the chili plant by my neighbor. A lot of chilies are getting ripe too. These are my two little pups, Haru the poodle and Saya. Both came out to check what am I doing out here in the garden. Nothing interests them, I guess, so they are going back in the house. Alright, that's all the update that I wanted to share of my garden now. I hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!